have peace. You need responsible man who can be controlling you like your father. When the man who ya misbehave, it be amo misbehave very unless opiani na winner or see or na can misbehave. The same thing too. Okay, no be having no send on you. If not, you no do have high blood pressure, heart attack. You need to no correct because ga send on your water. Even nerima vijima tami ma eri lama ho. Ya sek betima. The only person or gwima gwa be an onyima ni my love. Oga be an my love. Ema to saloba watamu wana ugare la ni mama. Or uga mo or monuve love. Whether okbia or oviwe. Okay, I take we gwanona lawe ho. Ori vije Iyore Ijue era na lao you can never listen to them. You know why? You go say Nike su say wa ujo bomia la wasemi ajeni jo but because of the love you have for your child oga wije wosunu na ije abo seme ya gieme ije abe woni lenu or we ga gele love of you when you pick a call we we misbehave. That is the only way that can make a woman correct herself. What try? Eta wario eveko no. Because when a life in Arizona, I need to understand as our second God. Or put it well through. Or re correct advice in way. Now it make me be where I be today. If not so. Or when my work baro wana tolerate nonsense. Ina anything wa ero wa. Or aro wa ekwe. And number two, ye day me time no yageni. Cause when I want take a time ogeya. Or jogo we or joga son. So any time at all. A time me the normal joe. Or what we beju over ma over your warrior. Feel a phone guy you wait to boom. You can sleep from morning till evening. Again, no Iyore or Yahweh, do lakoni. You know? So man needs if you want to smile in your life, man needs okbe ame okere baby life for ma. Uga lane no biye. Maybe you me mezisi. Try no mock me. Ikbia me ngwai. Engwangia. Ojo hoya lago dao. Iya reason go back. There another thing again. Can money make a woman happy? Igo joma ya go wodwa. We no biani na me character. But can you be happy? For me, unless woman me go there, ni me damere ya. We go joma gogo. No biani or you go no. O biana ari you go no way. We never one era. You will still stay with that man. O gazigo ona azigo no we nenari you go no way. Who say ke? So wage imugo kotao. Money can never buy happiness. I need them and in my life, man. Where surround yourself with people that matter. Trust me. I can't be the richest person in the whole world. Because why? Ume advisor. Ume manori yogogonwe. Ume mano important de mani negbe. Even wari yeso. Yes, see where we but we come back here. Come back here. Let me talk to you. Emumek boto. Deru awaya behavior iti la ni me. Ila come no full egbe. Then we ga gelega mono menwa. You tell us say egwi. Weke anything. We are go man or yeke. We are go man wagbarogwa. You are go man or ibudenwe. You pick their sense. Or money day. Or we can you day tolele like this. Or money you day to make the mistake in life. To be built. Or money you day. Again, mana won't be a laughing. Mary you day. Iwa uga kaka. I don't care. It must send DJ life. Ya jeba ya wanyo kerisia you went tebu. Ya ariye toileti. I don't even care. Ema ariyo kwa me igo aru wetebu. Me kigo honey ya wiyo ive he. I live a life of I don't care. Nobody they control me. Imamok bia nok bia ina mwe quick bia na do na o hiapa o ikieku ne beku o iladia uke baka mewa voa imamwe the real one no itota oje bossasi oje singlet eya eku ya imamwe gboni ina mwe no ike trouser ye yunwe unwaga Ogbese bata na okewo wo ga gwe azu ogbe 1 hour 20 minutes ogwe gbe pa na amwegboni. A woman don't need that kind of him. If you are rich una se no marry ne uma need take gbe bia very o una need take gbe bia very o. Never in your life you will have peace. You need a real man wa amwefon je o ga gun egbe wa nwene that is the kind of a man a woman needs when you reach to get marriage. We need that. Kokobiri cannot save your life. Igbo man 200 € for short 1 hour cannot save your life. Oyibo one can fuck me 20 € cannot help you. Can never help you. This man not get time for me, get wife for her. Now they pay my house rent or what you wait table or what he can never help you. I'm a living testimony for that. A happy way. Or cause more pain way. Or just where you're single forever. You need the right one that will wake up in the morning, we think about you. If we ask you, what are you going to do today? Because all those shots, 1 hour shots in enemy, 200 € for 1 hour, 100 € for 1 hour. In normal way, what are you going to do today? The only thing they can ask you on your phone, Urowa, Gimario te. Inigo wa ibe miye na. Nina karevetero miye 200 €. Na even 250 € women. That is what they will begin to tell you. They cannot follow you plan. They cannot tell you say Use no beer. They cannot tell you say Use no marry. They cannot tell you say that then marriage. They cannot tell you. Nina karibetero marry me o maka kabowe ya ware wono na wa vu eme nina karibetero o makweni yo bokan wenwe o makweni kisiwe. That is what they will be discussing with you on your phone. Then you begin to laugh. You don't touch me. When my women will do okay. Unugba only moon waire one na wari go ba me go cause you carry 100 € me veterio. Wari one na cause you pay go. That's what they will be telling you. How can you live a life like that? After 30 years? Better 30 years in it. They be life in only sister learn a message now. Try the message na wake up you wati awie ugata arebode dinani me watana. Wait, all of them when ya do aho weni umie no tawe I want to go see your family. Umie no tawe la rena koko do stay you wa no. So go tell you say ya ware 2 days ya gbebo wawe itama wo kame we ya irie ya mi so person 2 days ni ye igo ni aware enu I'll give you like 200 € as an Igbo man you know say I never hustle, I never do this one. You will begin to happy. You will think that you are making money. You don't know you are destroying your life. You don't know you are going back. You don't know all your mates jump past you. When You will just think, say, "Iwa make you go, mokba say you wa, iwa make you go, inigo ni wa mie." That is not original money. A money that you are selling yourself. Different type of people, la wa on ego. I'm a living testimony for that. I want to use my life story to change other people. Oh, wogagbera 30 years in there, use nenu ya tota kopia wowa. Oh meo, tota ke wowa. Tota ke wowa. Come block me at the train station. I bet book hotel down. I'll come tomorrow around 1 o'clock. Those things will not help you. It will not lead you to anywhere, my sister. Try, work on yourself. Rise up, stand up. Stand up and stay with a man. Hello, Ina, na me, Obina. I then near your house. Open door for me. That is what you will be hearing in your phone. Hello, how you dey, Joy? Na me, Chinedu. I forget my wallet for your house. That is what you'll be hearing for your phone. Allô? Tu es où? Tu es à la maison? J'arrive. That is what you'll be hearing for your phone. Oh boy, you sweet me well yesterday. Oh, you nearly finished me. I don't even know the time where I take sleep. I enjoy you. If I come next time, make sure so you buy better drink when me and you want drink. That day, I want me to just drink. Me will take drink. I do one. Me will see how things go be. Me will do one. That is what you'll be hearing for your phone. Do you think that it's a good business you are doing? We're always business in Oma, that is not a business for you. You are killing your blessing. You are wasting your time. You get where you go reach. You see all those numbers where they call you. If you call them, message. After when they don't use you like this, they will dump you, they will go. They will go marry the best woman. They will run, leave you. Then you begin to say, you begin to say, now you not plan your life well. No serious, marry why we never ready. No. That road where you did, you don't ready. Why you never ready? You don't ready, my people. You don't ready. I'm a living testimony for that. Mona, believe me. A woman needs, especially this Europe. If you don't have a child, you need a man. Welcome. You don't come back. You can never get yourself. You can never get yourself. If you like, when mention you turn about, you'll be zero. If you like, have a passport in a wallet, you'll be zero. If you like, have a Mercedes Benz in no fee, a mirror by river. Happiness in magba. Because uga ipake e buy ukie uwe la wa oye na mewe oyimi orene no wa eri uwe do mwe go we river uwe we mwe run wa be tie be phone identity we many be nyan e ro. So everybody have to work on herself. Without a man, you cannot have a child. If you not make up your mind, man not go come. You not go ever settle down. Many men, they are ready to settle down. Now women, they shakara. Because they never bid for flats. They never command their mama for rent. They never train their family finish. At the time when they will come say they want to settle down, now that time the men will come say, oh, mommy, Joe, you see, huh? That is our time. A certain man Iyore, iwa avaisuwa. Me, omate saponi mi arowana. But igi o enegbe me, ina wejora agbon wejena. Ya hin ala wiki ekula wa. Ejo magira agbon iwa ya areba. Geti igwa le free house. I reason when I know. I need somebody in my life. Oh mao, mao. Oboki ama sobowa. How you day? You don't wake up. Or that form or a boyfriend of my no matani. I have a customer here no matani. You don't wake up. No. If you don't know, make una know. A customer can never ask you, say, how your body? Never. Hello? C'est Cynthia? Customer, if they call you. Hello? Bonjour? C'est Cynthia? Oui? J'arrive chez toi. Toi à la maison? Just like that. Are you in the house? I am coming to your house. So wait till you come and enjoy them. It just take you like a pute. French people, they call her Igbiagia. No respect. But if you know your boyfriend now, if you know your boyfriend or your husband, no matter waiting, he must surely ask you, say, how are you? You don't wake up. When I don't eat. You see the difference? There are things where be say money cannot buy. Yes, you they do runs, they make money. But you get one man, you know they make money. That one man, it better pass you where they make million a day. Where you not get husband for house. Believe this message. It better pass. Wait it be million. Wait it be million. Wait it be million. O salabana the opportunity no where urere hama. Ye gbo my beer. Evo mona logo mana ye gbo my beer. I blame me. I blame my money. I wear more logo. My begu gwene more logo now. What are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Because of customer money? Because of igbiagia. Oh, when I wasted time. Igo no moga unueva hue. Why ye he? Agbona na gitona. Ume problem ina yama. Why ye he? Devi no ke sister. Why ye he? Why ye he? Uga sa no jo wodo. Umana jo wodo. Ikbia do aja wewa. Ke no sa na ogu wegwa. Ke no ma sa na ogu wegwa. Ya wegwa keke uja. Iya aja wegwa keke uja. Du umana ena nuwe. Ke we kokoko. Osewe ogyo magwe. Le loteme. Do friend do bijeme. Oseme na rima. Eskwok ba magbajo. Ovijeme na wa murena. Ge do lelewe. No ta na ego pa wa ya la we bo yen mo me awogoto. No we regbedo amu odo nu we na. We me get ogiwe. Ogiwe mama. O man wa gba la we bo the same time. Yo gido amu dare nu enu do friend dey. E o ma we gbe nu mare o. O we nu friend dey. O ga money na we ke we kokoko ho we. Akianu we ya ho we. Yo gido amu man ya gba wi nanu e. We mama e man na wa me go friend dey nu ri o igo. Bet yen ro wodo. We mari yen we talk giwe. We mari yen ti eti we akpa. Be wa bo gba la we bo. O hin abeta, o bi atami ani we ma bo gba la we bo. E seti me na hina. O madam pa mu mare. O ukpo pa ma na wina. O bra bra bra. But she's the one that is giving you a man. But she dey husband house. Uwe we to lucky we. O lucky we o. But we me nwa be ni me nwa. Ukpa me nwa be ni me nwa. Oge ga mo bia nu e. O ma mo na nu ba ko mo no pa nu e. Ye ke la woto. O ma me tita me wo temi we gwale no be ri me yowa. Because we were on that for when I be. E ma me mi ro pa dene na na wa bi omo no yi wa ime mi ya. Me gi select mu no ri mejo wa me e o. Wa ata my we o me go a. Oga me go iye wona. No where me like go be osime. I like go gbe. No e dori go me o me go a. I go me gwa lo be book bia. Let us see when I work back like we bono imo me va mo me or not. O me go na. Call my friend Peter. Yeah, what my girlfriend they talk. She said whether you get money to spend for her, you get money. You go see the person go say, ah, now money she just like. You go say you need money, oh. You go say, what I can't like again. What I want can't like for your body again, not be money. You see her? I told you begging message now. And don't see when we work back like we both the same time. Obiomoka o, una mo bia ya tuwe. Obiukpo giver, una be mo bia we. Bia no come here wo bo weni. Ukamu ya tuwe. Another person again. Oma be advice you we. Adokwa beneboe. Aigari budeni ya giriye. So brother, una mi seti me woe. Urwe nwa be no ya ribude nyari ibude na rie ni ye ke ola. Kosia wo ne verere. Emini ya emi egwe ma emi o. So ya bibio de ne verere. E ma to saloba watamu wana. Ami ya ni kbe ne we bo seti ma. Even in my boy gbaro se ye ke ye wan oje prayer ya support me. A prayer o zege e avasi ni rie ni me go la merere. Me vete veru we. E mokpa ma wabun. Umana osa. Useti avasi ya. Aka konle liane. Uke nwine atia. But oma iza ke mi ukpe no wa konle loko. Oru biju a ugun ya menyawe. Oma izi vegena. Because siya ribude. A family are ribude ni ye giriye. O walia ye keo. Because iya jebo manegi no ma iye we a time before ege fo jo ikioma o iye giye e ogiya oje me na vie continue di ahui e wogiya panya gige o mani no jigo do awuya ginu woni panya gibege igigo ya gibege and then you go when I like laughing wa bege we ma ya we mi ropa ukma gbon ya me iye me bo wa many of them o wi jin pa kekan ya ma metimu like webo. Yes. Veni guana na ya relani. Ya hebu jore matogi. Iya mameti mo wiji ya pakeka. So Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. Ya mameti oru pakeka. Igo ya ni ya ze o de baby. Nena we go na we do ya wu ya gino wani. O de baby ya zoej. So wa here marry gboko verio. You must be a Christian. Because a spirit ogok my genori ya wegbo wone. Or wa worry your mind. When ebata watamu wana. When ya your mind when ya la webo ni na your mind. A real spirit of mind generate your mind you are wegbe. So if you want to date our set strong in prayer, if not, iya for no mubi okbiao. Iya for no disrespect okbia. Iya for no jegbiya yakin okbia be marriage or a relationship ikeka. Believe a message in our brother. Imagine why Joe. Iron hands, a young gualo. While with cool hands, they will see you finish and they will throw you away. Okay, yeah, a luggage in here, what we temukba. Because when you not see any other banyo wadori, we are mogobia. I have customer in your car, any no amuyani, ya no ba. Or ye, we no la. No, ya will recover a customer. Or see, if you want to date them or you want to marry them, you need to be a man of God, a man that know Bible, a man that know God, so that you do through Bible and through the word of God to press Santa. And then you bog bue. Yana bege wo bomak bue. Irrespective of all. Ogwe o bog bue ya koko you can't talk to them. Never. Even what tell me ya my GA de bayan. Because iya make iya koki jian se o eni amana bi eni jian ma beke o geni ana yeri go gijian I make any yari go kitchen. So if you enter their life, ubije joy, ere do talo mawe. Wa me ni ja go egwan. Ije meti de ba we twen lo bo boni. Ije ga call ije iti owo mobi, oti owo moja. Because ije ye mi go ege ya. Won ko no ye gba enwu na ege ye send go kije. Because ije gbogbo adori ye e ba eyin ohun re. Umage eke agan forever. Umage eke sigo mother forever. Ije begin to hate you. Hallelujah. Yeah. Ebony Burugwe message now. Ije also I hate you. Ije ige we a la life of ye mi ya fi wori eno bi ye. Oga ije no ma onsa no ya aluebo. We wa ge no bi we ga call la no ge pick. We ike ho omo biabe la diane. E ma to salopa kwatamu wana. So mama, oga ugo rugwe message now. Please do my prayer point. You need a big deliverance. Customer cannot marry you. Shouldn't do it when they hammer you for house. He can't put you for house. Never. I mean, no my move, no my move with customer. Those are the people no marry way. No my story way. No my that is the kind of man that will respect you. And look down on that man. No matter the condition. Or when I make wo mo piani yowa. Or when I make wo pay like money. And look down on that man. Because it's your second God. Because we tell your life when we tell your one. The whole area knows that you be agbogboti. Agbogboti me where over my area ni no more. So maybe we are not setting la life where. E gijwe iri budzedanwe. E gijwe tayo we owe no piana ya la lafi we uguri go re gume won ni juwe. Okwaro wodo uji polo gbedegbe. O straight oma. Wa mabege mi no sunu wa go me no de. Okwaro wodo o straight oma. Uga gelega respect oda fun we. Uga gelega ri one no temeji. Or straight equal. Okay? Or you go be no ma. Very my boy baron e veve mi aye gavie. E veve. Ya you go no wow. Ya preaching ma wow bet. Uwe come. Uwa we pastor on oyo. There are many pastors no oyo. No vie. You no know. Many raw. No oyo no vie. Or you go no ma. Le ma babe ko better on la jam Facebook. Or where they give people joy. But wabego wa no babe ko. Or where they give people joy. We beti yeme joy. On even no ga sunu time before. And they give people joy. And they go out. People they fool my house. But when they go, my enemy not they get joy. A joy ni are me only for a minute. But if like say I get a responsible man that time, it will give me forever love. God bless you, my people. We have a message now. You got believe a message now, your life will never be the same again. You have any time. Eko behind you be worry. I got love ye bedi. Ek bama na tomo ma no love ye bama be bedi. E vitamin over here. Aga love ye bedi. Una sikeye ke ona ko. Oni nok boma. Ami e debeki. Uni joke biya. E laughy we. Oko no se no jowodo. Uni joke biya. Hello, God bless you. Hello. Uni day. My sister. Uni day. Stop parents. Stop parents. Every time. Wa miona na we baby dedication wa here. Wa miona we on we birthday wa here. Oh webo. Uwe wari agbon do po boni manila wodo. Oh webo. Tu meti ama. Tu me problem ehub. Wari emuti ake he. Uwo ne message we phone oke bia. E mani je gba ma bia e mani me problem no. Eke gbo e ba yan. Okpeni ni ke battle e wugbe. Okpeni ake fun e wugbe. But whatever problem, what are you waiting for? Because of BM moto, aye keni vegena. Okware bi ona bia yo ona bio geva ona bio sio ona bio dafon ona mueje, ona muyenye, eje na eti anti moto ne okwo na rere bie. Abogwe mami Facebook we dokba e jogene no kwo odi moto ni je no kwa. Umana rere bie useti mueje. Okwo omo lana elano pia. Without a man, there is no happiness in you. If you like, get mansion. If you like, make all your family not dey rent again. A happiness you egba. Your respect, egba. There are some place in Wajo. Umana answer a Mrs. Wawa answer Umana answer a Mrs. Nenemi. Wasunu jeni we direct. Your name will just do. People there will just look at you, see, on how you there water. But when you answer Mrs. The woman will pay go one in that Mrs. in will answer me. You win a heart of responsible people in that public. Hallelujah. Yeah. People that matter, they will dare your sides. They will say, on our responsible. Mrs. Or say golds, or say billions. One of Boma, Aviani Quenio, Yamase no Saunia. Wamase no Saunwa, one Quenny Mrs. Forget it, go mamma millions sinwe. That Mrs. Sinin or Yenweni. A dear Bokekan Riek Momenusa. On a case on Waja when I present a gift in way. Awelo, Iyore one of Paris. Oh, mama Boriana. At my age, Iyore one of Paris. Oh, Mrs. Modi.